Immerse yourself in the wonder of Polynesia, where the whispers of the ocean breeze tell tales of ancient mariners and islands born of fire. Spanning over 1,000 miles from the enchanting shores of Hawaii to the mystical landscapes of New Zealand, Polynesia is a world woven with threads of natural beauty. Marvel at atolls and lagoons, serene sanctuaries that stand as sentinels of a fiery past. Dive into the crystal-clear depths where coral reefs pulse with color and life. Navigate the waters in traditional canoes, keeping the spirit of exploration alive. As the day draws to a close, the sun kisses the ocean, reminding us of Polynesia's timeless beauty. Join us as we continue to explore and celebrate this rich tapestry of island geography and volcanic beauty. #Polynesia, #island geography, #volcanic beauty.